Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. Here's the slow motion replay for those who missed it. It seems the side of the car isn't its strongest point. Overtaking a truck is always a decision that requires careful thought. This time, well, it didn't go as planned. Looks like this driver was testing out flight mode. The results weren't quite what they expected.
Бля! Сука! Все, пиздец.
Another artistic somersault. Gravity seems to be having a productive day.
God damn it! God damn! Not okay. Fuck dirty.
Somebody just dropped their things on the road. Cleaning this up is going to take all morning. When a tanker flips like this, everyone holds their breath. Hopefully it was just carrying mineral water. This car seems to be taking a little break. Lying on its back to watch the clouds is a nice idea.
Вон в окошке, видишь? Ух ты, блин!
A collision right next to a gas station. Luckily, no one was smoking nearby. When you really want to get ahead, but the road disagrees. The result is an unexpected detour. The domino effect, highway edition. The first car is probably feeling very guilty right now. Rule number 1 at a railway crossing: the train always wins. There are no exceptions. Driving on snow is like dancing on ice. One wrong move and you'll have an unforgettable performance.
That'd be the really. You can walk your friends over to Southeast Asian country. Did you ever set up your Millers or something like that? We're in the Millers. What the? Oh my!
Well, that's definitely not a special effect from an action movie. Looks like someone pressed the self-destruct button by mistake. A car flips and everyone pitches in to help. A heartwarming moment amidst the chaos. When the road decides to play ice skating, not everyone is a professional athlete. A high-stakes version of the game Jenga. This time everyone lost. This truck decided to take a halftime break, probably tired after a long journey. When you try to make a turn but accidentally select tumble mode, an easy mistake to make. Is someone having a barbecue on the highway? It seems a little overcooked.
Это фером? А что такое?
Ну, чтобы, ну, типа как...
Блядь!
Господи Иисусе Христе! Боже, спаси, сохрани и помилуй! Боже!
An unequal showdown. The outcome is, well, as you can see. When the big guys on the road can't find common ground, the result is a total mess. A very unwelcome face-to-face meeting. Neither of them seems happy about it. This bridge is offering free ice skating lessons today. It looks like many drivers signed up. That was a massive hit. Both cars are going to need a long vacation at the repair shop. This truck is channeling its inner Olympic torch. It's just a little brighter than necessary. This driver probably wanted to experience what it's like to be an astronaut. Too bad there are no spaceships around.
Ебануться! Охуеть!
Even a tough-looking military truck can't defy the laws of physics. This road doesn't play favorites. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support CarZone so we can keep bringing you intense and eye-opening crash footage. Thanks for watching CarZone.